looking at Akon City as to become the beginning of Africa's future. And our idea is to build a futuristic city that incorporates all the latest technologies, cryptocurrencies, and also the future of how African society should become in the future. And it's something that they don't have to fear, and they also have a choice.
It's become its own thing. It's a movement. People are excited about the cultural aspect of it.
When this project came about, it was actually before the movie. But when the movie came, it almost was like a blessing. It's almost like God allowed this movie to be successful, for me to be compared to such success, to give people that mind state that this could be possible in Africa. And it also motivated us too when we were creating the city from an architectural standpoint, that it has to feel and it has to be futuristic.
La cérémonie qui nous réunit ce matin est l'aboutissement d'un processus d'engagement et de confiance pour le Sénégal. Dans un moment, dans un contexte où l'investissement privé national et international se fait rare. Donc Akon, vous avez décidé de venir au Sénégal, investir 6 milliards de dollars dans les 10 prochaines années, au moment où la Covid-19 a semé le doute partout sur la planète.